Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to go over the problem and issues about this DJI OSMO Mobile 1. This is the first edition. So as you can see right now the unit is off, and then I know there are a lot of viewers out there or user out there saying that after they did the upgrade or update for their either on their iOS Apple products on iPhones or on their Android, either Samsung, LG or any other manufacturer out there, that their phone is no longer working, or syncing with their DJI OSMO Mobile 1. Okay, so today I'm gonna go over the review about on how to fix this problem or issues. All right, first of all, you need to log into your DJI app. It's called the DJI Go. Then you're supposed to mount this on the unit. And then turn this on. See, as you can see, it says mount your phone on the gimbal. Even though it is already mounted already, so when I press OK, it's still how this motor is not activated or whatever, and the light is keep on blinking. This is the left one is a Bluetooth one, so as you can see, it still says mount your phone on the gimbal. I'm trying to turn this on brighter. So even though I try to remove the case, some people are saying that you need to remove your case in order to get a better connection, or that's what the cause was, to prevent from your phone getting connected or synced with DJI. So I remove this silicone case and then mount it without it. And as you can see, the light is still blinking on and off green. That means there's a problem of air. Okay, so let me go to DJI again. As you can see, I don't know why it's so dark. Mount your phone or the gimbal again. Press OK. So it is not the phone. Okay, it is the gimbal problem. I'm not sure after we updated to the new and latest Android software, or that caused this problem or error. So today I'm going to show you the fix. Some people are saying then you need to uninstall the app and then install it back onto your phone again, and that did not fix it. So all you need to do is use a black tape. So this is pretty critical. You want to get a piece of black tape. So I'm not sure if the reflection that caused the sensor not working or what. You want to cut it off. just small enough. Okay, your sensor is right here. That's where it detects if your phone is mounted on this DJI OSMO or not. You want to go ahead and then tape it up. Just like that. You want to make sure it covers up everything. No light's gonna go through it. Alright. And then now you want to go ahead and then mount your phone. I'm gonna put back my case back in to show you guys it is working no problem with the case on, because you don't want it to scratch your $1,000 or $1,250 phone. You know, the new Note 9 is coming out already. It got dropped yesterday. Or your iPhone 10. So you want to go ahead and then open the app again. Okay, and then turn on your DJI. You want to make sure it's vertical. And in case you need to reset, you press this trigger for twice. You want to go ahead and exit out and reopen the app since you have an error message. Okay. DJI Go. Skip. Ready. Let's see. It's weird because when I put my finger over the sensor, it works. So I put my finger over the sensor right now, and I turn on the DJI. Yeah, you see it's working. It's so I'm going to show it to you that it works. So maybe I need to put like a 2-layer of the tape or something, because when I put my finger covering the sensor, it works fine. And I turn it off, so it's just stop working. And I turn it on again. See? So there's a problem with the sensor after you do the update. It's just not picking it up. Let me try the one with the business card and see if it's gonna work. Got a advertising card right here and see if I can put it in here. Oh, so yeah, it works. So guys, just put the like a business card or like a board. I put like a advertising card, and then it works fine. I'm not sure why the block tape didn't work. So there you go. That's a good fix for this. You don't need to worry about your DJI is broken or anything like that. It's working everything perfectly. And then you press this shutter to take the picture. And then this is red button right there to record the video. Yay, 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 yay. There you go, working fine. I'm gonna turn it off now. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification or drop any comments on below. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like always, peace. So I'm doing a test right here with this DJI mobile right now. Testing out for you guys. Now it's working fine. Alright. I'm gonna pan that up and down. You want to do it slowly. Hey, what the hell? Device not what? Double tap the trigger to cover. Alright, YouTube, so I'm testing out my SA Plus right now with a gimbal. After we fix it, and I'm testing out. First of all, you need to balance your phone on the gimbal. That's why it kept on dying out on me, because it was out of balance. So I know the SA is kind of hard to adjust, because it's kind of longer than other smaller phone. So if you got a bigger phone, you might have to adjust the arms, make it longer to balance it. That's why the gimbal is working so hard, because of the motor right here. It was getting so freaking hot, and then I had to fix it because I keep on shutting itself off and then turn it back on. So you see right now it is working fine without no problem or issues. So yeah, this is a fix for putting the like a business card or like a cardboard, like a thin layer of a cardboard on the back of your phone. so the sensor will activate correctly. So somehow when I put the black tape, it's not working. Not sure what's the problem, because maybe it's covering the sensor, but when I put my finger on the sensor, it works fine. So I'm not sure what's the deal on that. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, and then like the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and then turn on the bell for notification, and drop any comments on below. I'm just gonna walk around this real quick to show you guys it's still working without no issues. All right. Give you guys a 360 view. And then I can tail up, down. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next video. This is a test after we fix this DJI and then balance it OSMO 1. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.